Today, I'm going to show you how to get super close-ups by using action cameras. Usually, if you try to do this, the photos, the videos will be very blurry. You can see this in my past videos, such as here, here, and here. This has got to be my favorite action camera of all time, the Insta360 Ace Pro. The newer version, Ace Pro 2, doesn't add much to this, so this one is still my favorite. I say favorite because the image quality is crazy good for its small size. If you need something closer, then you'll definitely need this adapter, diopter. But wait, first you need to get an adapter so it can attach to this Ace Pro. Most likely it will not fit the Ace Pro 2, but I can't confirm that. Once you get the adapter on, secure it with the provided Allen wrench right here, and then add whatever 52mm filter you want. Here we have the +2 lens, so it's good for up to about 2 feet. Inside of the Vivitar kit, you get a bunch of adapters. If you want something super close, then just add this +10 in. This will get you super close to anything that you want. There's 3 other adapters, so pick whatever you want. The adapter by itself will come with a UV kit, but I don't use that, so I just leave it in the bag. In the past, if I want to do something super close, then I'll need this macro lens. Look at this. It's crazy huge, right? There's no way I can fit this in my pockets. Right now, thanks to this adapter and the diopter, I can do super close-up anytime I want. Everything fits inside the pockets, no problem whatsoever. The adapter also comes with this handy lens cap. That's pretty good to protect the Ace Pro bare lens. If you want, you can always stack filters. There's a +2 that I previously have on. Then you can add a UV filter, or you can add even more diopter if you want. They all stack up pretty well. We got the +2, +1, and +10. That's a lot of magnifications. Once again, the diameter from here to here is 52mm. Just for fun, we're going to see how good this thing is, starting off with the 10x lens. I don't know if you notice, but the distortion is crazy, right? Especially near the edge. Alright, we're about 30 centimeters right now, so everything is blurry. Let's get closer. 30. 10. 6. And 3 centimeters. Next up, we got the +4. So here we go. This is at 30 centimeters. 20. 14. 10. 6. Here's the +2 lens at 32 centimeters. 25. 20. 15. 10. And 5. Finally, we got the +1. 30 centimeters. 25. 20. 15. 10. And 5. Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful on how to use action cameras for super close-ups. While this video is for the Insta360, the same concept applies to the DJI action cameras and GoPro 2. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.